Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to update the Minecraft Bedrock on your PC. So how can you do that? Now first thing that you need to do is just open your Microsoft Store. Either you have pinned it in the taskbar, you will see here. If you don't see it, you can just search it inside the like search section. Just search Microsoft Store. Let me just search this Microsoft Store and you will see the Microsoft Store. Make sure that you have logged in with your account. And once you're logged in with your account, in the search section at the top, you can just search Minecraft. Make sure to write down Minecraft and open the search bar. Search it Minecraft and let it load. And you will see this one, Minecraft for Windows. Like you will see multiple versions. Like there are multiple versions Minecraft for Windows. This is the first one, and you can see the additions. If you click on the additions, you will see multiple current edition is like Minecraft for Windows. Minecraft Triple Bundle for PC, Minecraft Java and Bedrock Edition, Deluxe Collection, Java and Bedrock Edition for PC. Now, depending on whatever version you're looking for, just find the version. And once you find the version, as I don't have bought it, I don't have it installed inside my laptop, so I am not able to see the play button or the update button. But if you have already installed it and now you're looking for the update, so you will basically see an option like two options. One will be play and the second one will be update. You can just click on update, and once you click on update, it will automatically start the updating. But make sure that you have chosen the correct edition. Like go to the correct edition. There are a lot of like versions you can say or the editions of the Minecraft. So make sure to select the right one, click on update, wait for it until it is completely automatically updated, and after that you are done. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.